Have you been longing to have a clean home? I know, messy homes don't give too much fun to live in. We usually try to find many excuses that because so and so reason I am not getting time to clean it. But it's not too hard to find a balance and a perfect home. It's our everyday habits which makes our home beautiful, tidy, clean and organized. In this video, I'm sharing some cleaning tips which anybody can follow no matter if you're working or stay at home mom.
Namaste, I am Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some everyday habits which will help you out in keeping your home clean and tidy. So let's get started.
I know so many of you might be already following this habit, but I'm adding it here to value its ability to have a clean home. Outside shoes can bring so many germs, bad viruses, or bacteria along with dirt. If you are someone who just can't stand barefoot, then keep home slippers ready always. Usually, when guests arrive, we ask them to bring their shoes, but don't hesitate to ask them to leave their shoes at the entrance and wear clean home slippers. Believe me, if you are not doing this, you will see a great difference in your home. Having the floor mats throughout your home is a good way to protect your floor from everyday spills. And you know, the basic intent of having floor mats is to protect the floor from dirt, stains, and spills. Use them in the most trafficked area in your home, like the kitchen, one close to the hob and one near the sink. When you keep a runner near a hob, it will help to keep floor clean while you make rotis. A bedside runner to keep your bed sheets free from dust. If you have a place where you sit the most, like we have this chair, then keep a mat. Rub your feet to remove loose dust. By keeping this, you don't have to frequently clean your couch's sofa. Keep on changing them every week with fresh and cleaned mats. Once you set a dusting routine and you keep on following it, I can give you 100% guarantee that your home will never be messy. Just opt for a very simple everyday morning routine, like wipe down all the top counters of your entire house, like coffee table, TV unit, dining table, study table, and yes, also all the surfaces which you touch or see frequently. Make your bed and keep all things back to their places. That's it. And this is what I do on a daily basis. Nothing more than this. This simple everyday morning routine can be followed by the working women as well. Simple 10 to 15 minutes of cleaning your home in the morning can help you a lot and you will not be overwhelmed at the time of deep cleaning. There will not be any home without shelf or drawers and we all open them on a daily basis to access things. But if you're not using any shelf liners beneath your baskets, then it will eventually increase your work for later to clean them. See, as I'm using these liners, all the dirt and debris on it, and the drawer is all clean. Use liners in your kitchen drawers and shelf to avoid stains on mica. Just remove it, shake it, and clean it with wet cloth, and you are all good. You can simply use paper or gift paper like these to line the drawers. Use it in the drawers of your study table to avoid marks of ink. Remember, for a home clean home, these surfaces are actually very important and a liner will hold your home in a good state. Also, they are easy to clean if something does end up creating a mess. After all, they are removable for a reason. When your guests arrive, the living room is one place which gets used a lot. Chai, coffee, and many things happen. Keep coasters on the coffee table and also on your dining table to avoid unnecessary water rings and stains on the table. Just consider while having tea or coffee if you spill some accidentally. So avoid doing this because it will increase your work of spraying a solution or scrubber to clean that area, and it becomes more difficult to clean when spills dried up. But by just simply using it for keeping a cup over it can reduce your work. These small practices can really make you a perfect homemaker. And also sometimes these marks can spoil your furniture. The pretty looking coasters make this area of your home look beautiful as well. अब तो हमारी सरकार भी बहुत सारा प्रेशर देके बोलती है to segregate dry and wet waste. If it is not possible to keep bins in every part of your home, then at least make a habit of keeping dry and wet waste separate. If you are able to keep bins in bedrooms, keep them to avoid littering all over your home, especially if you have kids. Dry waste can be discarded when it's full, but the green waste should be discarded every day to avoid having any germs or bacteria inside your home. These essentials are related to your home, the tools which help you to keep your home clean and tidy. These should be at an accessible place so that when you need, you can simply take it. Like hang your vacuum cleaner on the wall and keep it charged so that you can use it anytime. The accessories related to it should be kept handy. I have this space here, so I'm using this box to keep all the attachments inside. And also this box will keep it dust free. If you use cord vacuum cleaner, it should be kept in a cabinet so that you can easily take it out. Keep all your cleaning essentials in a basket organized in an area where you can grab it. Like I have all the cleaning products in utility. Though I don't use these products, but when occasionally I need, I can take it from here. In the same way, keep your sink organized with a soap dispenser, dishwashing liquid, and these clothes which are used almost on daily basis, at least 3 to 4 times a day. Working women who don't get time can easily follow this routine to keep their homes organized. When earlier I was saying to only dedicate 10 to 15 minutes for cleaning and dusting your home in the morning, that's because it's very important to set up a nighttime routine. Before going to bed, make sure to scan your whole house, keep things back to their place, arrange your sofa, clean your dining table. Because I know when you will be in rush to get your kids ready for school or you're leaving for your office in the morning, you will not get time to do all these things. But at night, you can spare some time before going to bed with a free mind to make your mornings easy. In the morning, while you brush your teeth, spare like a minute or so, and I know this can be easily done by anyone at home. Clean your wash basin's countertop. Spray some solution and wipe it down with a cloth. Keep cleaning spray in the bathroom to avoid wasting time. After the shower, wipe down the floor. Just give it a try and let me know after a week if you also feel some changes in the way you spend your time in cleaning your bathrooms. Just make a habit of cleaning the appliances whenever you use it. If you're using your mixer grinder, don't leave it unattended. It will not take much time, just a few seconds, and the machine will look sparklingly clean as new. Whether it's your juicer, rice cooker, microwave, or your coffee machine, just give few seconds to clean them. This is an Imperial manual coffee maker from Agaro. This looks very stylish and it can make your coffee station look very pretty. It's recommended to use freshly powdered coffee to get the best taste. Pour water in the water tank up to max level and then attach it at the back. Now switch on the machine. The red and green light will glow. You have to wait till the green light stops blinking. Till then, let's fill the powdered coffee in the steel mash with the help of a measuring spoon. And don't forget to label it. Now attach it with the main unit and twist it anti-clockwise. Now see, the green light has stopped blinking. That means you can brew your coffee. To brew, keep the cups under and press this button. Control switch to brew. Wait for few seconds and brewed coffee will come out. Now to make cappuccino, select steam or coffee selector. Red and green light will illuminate. Also the temperature will rise above the red mark dial. Pour milk in a cup and place it under the froth device. And to control the speed of frothing, you can use these knobs provided at the side. To stop frothing, turn the knob now. Add brewed coffee to the froth milk, add sugar and enjoy. For perfect espresso, you need perfect machine with 15 bars at tank pressure which deliver 9 to 9.5 brew head pressure gives perfect crema. You can remove the drip plate to clean if water filled above the red colored floater. And it's very easy to maintain at home. You can find the link below in the description box. Mornings without newspaper and chai is kind of incomplete. But where to keep that stack of newspapers so that it will not make home unorganized? For the same, use any basket with a lid for storing the newspaper. The corners in your home mostly go wasted as we don't utilize this area well. The corners of your sofa can be used, just keep the basket and store the newspaper, not at all visible. Use an ottoman, a pretty looking ottoman, as it can be kept anywhere, even in the living room. Store and keep it closed. है ना ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, but I'm sure it will help a lot of women, especially the working women who keep on asking about easy cleaning and organizing ideas.
This is it for today's video and I really hope you are going to find this video useful. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time with another exciting video. Till then, enjoy, take care and bye-bye.